Hey guys, it's Miss Lion. I just wanted to make this quick screencast to show you what you're supposed to be doing for e-learning this week, because we are doing e-learning a little bit differently due to the nature of this week having not been with any of you on Monday. Okay, so for your first e-learning day this week, whatever that may be for you, you will log into Canvas and then you'll go to your dashboard and then you'll click on your social studies class. And then you will make sure that you're on the modules tab by clicking on modules. And you are going to be looking for the module that says e-learning week of September 8th through September 11th. All of your e-learning this week is going into this module. Right now you notice there is just one e-learning assignment in here, and it says Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, missing e-learning, catch up, turn in your list of missing work. So if we click on that, because that's our first thing this week, it will bring up our directions. And our directions say many of us have missed one or more of our e-learning assignments. With that in mind, it is our top priority this week to make up all of our social studies e-learning that is missing. To help you assess what assignments you have missed, I have created a list of all of the e-learning work that we have had so far. Below, I have listed out what you need to do in order to complete the first step of your e-learning catch-up. The first thing that you'll need to do is make a copy of the assignments list using this link, which I'll show you here in just a second. Then, after you've made that copy and opened it in Google Drive, you will then go through the assignments that are listed on the assignments list document, checking off the ones that you can see you've submitted. You do need to make sure that you are verifying in Canvas that you have actually done it, so you should probably have Canvas and Google Drive or Google Docs open at the same time so you can work back and forth. And the best way to find these assignments is through the modules that I've listed. Once you have checked off the assignments you've done on your assignments list, then you are going to submit the document to me, to this assignment, or take a screenshot and then submit that so that I can see what assignments you say you still need to do. And then obviously you need to begin working on the missing assignments. The next part of your e-learning will be to resubmit your assignments list after you've been able to check off more of your missing work. And I can verify that you're actually doing the missing work by going in and looking at Canvas. But let's go ahead and click on this link. Once you click on the link, it'll ask you to make a copy of the document. Once you make a copy, this is what it will look like. It says e-learning assignments checklist August 17th through September 4th. That is the time frame that we've been in school. Each of these green boxes is the module name for an e-learning unit. So module name, core concepts, and get to know you week of August 17th was our first one. There are 4 assignments that need to be done and turned in, and you can, as you have done them, put like a little X in the box or something to show that you have done that assignment. If you haven't done it yet, leave that blank so that when you turn this document into me, I can see which ones that you are still needing to do. But that is what we are going to be working on this week. If you are 100% caught up on every bit of e-learning, meaning that you have no missing e-learning for social studies, there will be another assignment that is going to go up into our e-learning module for this week, and it will talk you through what you get to do because you have a fun and exciting activity outside of our previous e-learning that you will be able to participate in. For those of us that have our e-learning that we still need to do, we are focused on that because we are slowly but surely running out of days in this first quarter, and I want to make sure that your grades are as set as possible. So that is where we're at. I will send out a big reminder for you, letting you know about it again, but that is our e-learning for the beginning of this week. Bye.